Here's logging in into Joomla and creating your first article and linking it to a menu item. First of all, log yourself into the website with the usual website address followed by /administrator. Log yourself in with the password and the username. You'll have to reset your password first time around. First time around, you shouldn't be asked for a password until you're asked to reset it. Once you're into the website, you'll arrive at the control panel. Got a menu system at the top: system, users, menus, content, components, extensions, and help. What I've done is given you full access to the site. We want to add an article first. Articles are under content and they're called articles. If you just click on articles, that'll come up in a second. You see all the ones I've created already. And to create a new one, just click on new. Once that comes up, you'll see we're in a screen very, very similar to Microsoft Word. Give the article a title. This one I'm just going to use as a test. And then you can put your text in there. If you want to paste some text in there, you can use that little icon there to paste plain text. That will paste text from a Word document or something like that, and it's set so that we'll actually strip all the useless code from the Word document, but you'll still have to refine it a little bit. So all you do is type in whatever you want. If you want to put a picture or an image in there, click on that little icon there. That'll take you to the folders, and you see I've got one for Michael Cook. There's his image. Got one for Ross Carlyle. There's his image. If we just highlight it, you can actually see Ross's image. Now, if you want to create another submenu, all you do is go to the head of it by clicking on Home, click on New Folder, give the folder a name, pop your image into that folder so you know where to find it afterwards. Once you're ready to insert it, all you do is go into the folder, pick the image, make sure you've got a sensible size set, play around with it a little bit. 150 to 250 in the width is probably adequate for within an article. Give it a margin. I always give it around about 10 so that the text doesn't come right up against it. And you can set the alignment, and if you look in the little right hand box, you can see the text will wrap around to the left. You can put the image in the center or the image to the right, or you can just leave it not set. Whatever you decide. Click Insert. That pops your image into the article, and you can see how it's going to appear. You can have a quick preview. That will give you an idea of what it's going to look like. The Code tab takes you into the HTML code, which is the code in the background, which is quite simple once you get into it. You really don't need to go there unless you want to turn yourself into an expert, unless you know HTML code already. Go back into the editor screen. Once you're happy with it, click Save. Save will just save it, but will leave you in the screen. Save and close saves it and takes you out of the screen. This particular instance, I'm just going to click Cancel. We don't want that on your website. Now, to add that content into the menu system, we click on Menus. We've just got one menu here. It's called the Main Menu. When we click on that, you'll see there's all the menu items. You see some of them are indented, like monthly calendar, major dates, Facebook events. They're indented under calendar. So when we view the site, and we view the site with this little icon up the top right, we go into Rotary District. You'll see that's opened in a second tab. Just click on the menu, and I've got a small screen for the video. Click on Calendar. See how it expands. They're the sub-menu items. All right. Now back to there. We want to add, or say we're going to add this particular article into ONN. At the moment, they're mostly set as menu headings, simply because it gives you a placeholder. We'll just click on ONN. We'll just pretend we're going to add this article into it. Where it says menu item type, we select that, and we want to change it to an article. So we click on articles and we want a single article. Just wait till that comes up. It takes a couple of seconds. Asks you to select an article, and you can just go and select any one of the articles you want. Once you've done that, you can just click Save and Close. That's it. You've put your article onto the menu system. Have a play with that. That's really the basics. Anything, as you gradually get into it, the more things you want to know, just ask. If necessary, I'll do some more videos for you. Hope that helps.